Hello. So we going to do today is this project. It's a wall hanger with fabric paint we are going to use. This must be the easiest project you can ever do. So you don't need a lot of materials. I'm going to use fabric paint as normal. I use these two brands. This is the two brands that one is Fabio and another one is So Sophie. So these are the two brands I will be using. It's very easy, very quickly you can find. In case if you don't have fabric paint, of course you can go for acrylic paint. It's total fine. So because we are using a fabric, you can do this one on a canvas also, but we are going to make a wall hanger with fabric. So I really appreciate if you can use a fabric, normal, old, any kind of fabric you can use. I'm using a cotton fabric, normal ones like bed sheets and things, old bed sheets and things that you can cut out and use. So I'm using fabric paint, and you need cotton buds and a fabric, of course, for do the painting. That is the only thing you will be need, and this is the project we will be doing. It's super easy. You need only 3 colors. Remember, we using primary colors like red, yellow and blue. That's it, nothing else we will be using. So these are the 3 colors we will be using, and this is the project we will be doing. So don't think about the frame or the string, anything. Our focus should be on the flowers first thing. So we need to trace a flower like this way over to a fabric like this way. So if you see the flowers now, see this is going over these flowers. So I'm doing overlapping. So these 3 flowers are each other, top of each other. When you color, you can see the difference between that. So this flower, if you see, it's coming. This flower is going over these 2 flowers like that way. So you will draw the flowers like that. I trace it the same way that I showed you now. I use a normal paper. If you can do by yourself, please go ahead and do it, or you can use a carbon paper and trace the 3 flowers like this way. So again, look at the flowers, it's going over because we are using 3 colors and we're going to try to make extra another 1 color. That's why we need to do the overlapping. We're using cotton buds, and we will start to color. Every flower should be colored with 1. So we're going to use a cotton bud, and for example, if you do in the yellow color flower, I want you to do like this way, up and down, up and down. Only 1 flower should color with yellow color. I will show you how to do that. So if you see this picture, I colored 1 full flower in yellow color, but I used only the cotton bud and I went up and down. I stood inside the line. I didn't went up. So the middle part I avoid coloring. Every flower color with 1 color only. So yellow 1 flower, 1 color will be. Do not use a brush. I will recommend you to use the cotton bud because we need this circle shape. That's why if you see properly near, it's very nice. We have a little bit circle, circle, circle. That's why. So what we did is we went over it and color. So there is a part here that I kept because this flower is going over the red, but still you can color it with yellow color like this way. Make sure you cover it full with yellow color first. Same way, up and down, so like this. Now if you see, this is now a full flower, but this part also should be yellow color. Now if you look at my picture, now I have a perfect 1 yellow color flower. But my blue color flower is not really perfect. So we need to do is, we have to go over the yellow with blue color. So I'm using the same cotton bud but the other side. If you see, like this flower should be complete with the blue color. So what I will be doing is, I'm going over. Now I have a green color part in my flower. See, it's very easy. This part is green color now. That's the reason we use yellow and blue. Isn't it nice? So now our 1 flower is almost complete, but we have another part. Because we are using fabric paint, I will recommend you to keep a wet wipe or damp fabric close to us, so it will be done going everywhere, the paint, because we will rub in the fingers and rub in the clothes. It's not a good idea. So the next part we will be doing is our blue color flower. It's not 100% complete. If you see, we will color it again, this part with blue color. This is going over red also. So our blue color flower is complete, but this is going have to come, red color flower should be come over the blue color, one parallel. So what we will do is, that part we will color with red color. Same way, if you see, up and down. So you will have a purple color effect because you already put blue color below the, if you see it's going to be little bit purple color because we already apply blue in the below. So I will keep that cotton bud in the side. Now here again, if you see, we have a red color half and yellow color half. We already did with the yellow. Now we will repeat it with again red color, and we have an orange color effect. We are using only 3 colors and we are trying to make a third color. That's the reason we have only 3 colors for the fabric paint. So we did one yellow color flower, we went over red, and again here blue. That's why. So these 3 flowers you should be mixed together and make third color. Here also, if you see, this flower and this flower joining here, it's come green color. Yellow and red joining, it's coming. If you see properly closer, you can see it. I will keep it. This blue and red color join part, it's become purple. Yellow color join part come orange. Blue and yellow came green. That's right. So we use 3 colors, but we have already third color. The middle part we will do is, in the red color flower we will make green color. The way to make green color is, we will do little bit blue color, in the middle, and we will use little bit yellow color. And use the cotton bud only, do not use a brush, it will be not look so nice. We want to have that circle effect. So now we need is, for the yellow color, we will use little bit purple. So we need little bit blue and red. We will do is the cotton bud. So now we will use little bit blue color over it. See, we have now blue color. For the blue one, we will use orange color. We will use little bit yellow. And now we will be using little bit red color. Now we have orange color. So this is the way you will do the 3 flowers. So first we trace the flowers. We made sure that all the flowers going each other, top of each other. So there will be a joining. Yellow flower and red flower should be joined together. Blue flower and yellow flower should be joined together. Red and blue flower also should be joined. So the joining parts should be different colors. So now we have to do is make some decoration. So I will use little bit circles like here. Just to give a nice touch. You can do some decoration like a circle effect. When you go over the red color part, it automatically become little bit purple. So you can add little bit yellow to a one edge, so it become full circle will be mixed with like little bit green, blue and purple. So the same thing you can do in here also. Three of the flowers should get this same effect. It look nice then. See, just you make a circle with the cotton ball with different colors. See, it's very easy. So almost our wall hanger is done. Now you need to do the frame. So you have to cut a cardboard, depends on your frame size. So I have this yellow color frame. You can see I just cut from normal little bit hard cardboard. You can stick it like this way. See, and make sure you put a hole so you can hang it in the with a string. So you can do is one for there and one for the back. So you really need to have one to the behind it, and for the front you will use the frame. So once you do the frame, you can hang it like this. I cannot raise it right now because it's not 100% dry, but it should be look like this way once your work is done. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. It's very easy and simple. You just need some fabric paint and a normal fabric. With cotton fabric will be nice. It's easy for you to color, and you can use of course canvas fabric also. So you can use fabric paint, acrylic paint, both you can use, and you can use cotton buds. Very easy. Do not use the brush. It will be not nice because you keep brushing always. Use something different. So I like to use the cotton bud. That's why that circle effect it's much more nicer than you think. That's why I love to use the cotton bud. So once you're done with it, you overlap the flowers and draw it, because two flowers have to be joining together. Like it should be like a triangle. That's why we are using only three flowers, and we use only three primary colors like yellow, red and blue. It become automatically we will get another colors like red and blue is joining come purple, blue and yellow will be little bit green, yellow and red will be orange. So like that way, so you will get few colors more. So that's the thing you will be doing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. You can make the frame once your work is done and hang it. Make sure you take pictures and upload with me. Thank you so much for watching me. See you tomorrow.